All right, I'd like to give a shout out to CitraSafe for sponsoring this video. When we do cleaning at the pit, we choose CitraSafe for good reason. It's a natural cleaner. You got to check this out, and a big thumbs up for CitraSafe for sponsoring us all these years. So the next time you're looking for a cleaner for your pit, check out CitraSafe. Thumbs up.
There's the catch of the day there, Jitter.
A couple of really nice beauties here, but I lost a lot more than I would have had. Oh, there's some beauties in there. Alright, we got these beautiful blue crabs. I've been in the fridge for a day. Nice and cold, so they're perfectly fresh. You just want to get into the corner here, pop the tops off. See that right there? Pull that right off. Guts come right with it. See the gills? Now this is gills. We're going to take these gills out, pop the mouth right out. Gills, mouth, all that. Get all the stuff they ate. That's all stomach contact. Boom, boom. Pull out the stomach lining. Just like so. See that? That's a perfectly clean crab. Now you want to get that goop out of there. You just go into the water and you just break that goop out. All it is just stomach contents. Boom, there's a nice clean side of crab. Stomach contents. Nice little rinse. Boom, clean crab. Pretty simple, right?
Absolutely. All right.
Do one more male. We'll do one of the big ones here. So you want to do is you just pull the butt off. A little harder on these bigger ones. There's that sound you like right there. Pull the mouth right out. Gills right out. Gills right out. Stomach contents. So now see how you got this middle part? Just crack it. Stomach contents. Right out of there. Some people say that's all the flavor. What we're doing is we're just steaming them in beer today. So we really don't need all that in there. If you're doing like a Cajun boil or something like that.
Yellow jackets love them. So onto the griddle. So first of all, I'm going to just put a little salt on here. Just like that. And over here we go. So we're just going to put a little butter on here. It's about 450. And then we'll drop the crabs down here. Turn them over a bit. Give that butter turn. Here. Like and we're just going to add a little beer for some steam. So first of all, we'll just put the lid on. Just make sure you got them all covered up. And we'll just pour a little beer over here. Steam up. And we're going to finish them off with our buffalo rub. So I'm going to sprinkle that across the top at the end for a little flavouring. Okay. Turning. A little bit of buffalo seasoning. Like that. A couple more minutes and they'll be done. Cheers. Just like that. Okay, so they're pretty much done. I'm just going to give them a little thickling as this. It's a good measure. Just a bit. Perfect. Done.
This is the part where the pitmasters get to eat in front of you. And they're not apologizing, if you notice. Look at that.
Just think, these were living happily in a parking lot in the marina. Anyway, the good thing about seasoning the shell, because we've done this in a similar style before, is the flavour actually transfers to the meat as you're eating it. So anyone thinking that's a waste of time to season the shell,
You're sucking on half the shell anyway.
yeah, they know Jack.
So, in any event, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
You didn't do the sign.
All right, come on. Cameraman's got to get some of this action. Come on.